Greetings ecopenny viewers to the ultimate eco sports adventure, climbing the Sydney Harbour Bridge. So I want to just do a shout out to Glaucoma Australia. They did the 7 Sights fundraiser earlier this year. There'll be a link to that video about that up there. So because of my video, they liked it so much, I won this Bridgeclimb adventure. So thanks to Glaucoma Australia and Bridgeclimb for providing me with a voucher to do this awesome walk. So the Sydney Harbour Bridge is the world's largest steel arch bridge. It was completed in March 1932 after 8 years of construction. The arch is 134 metres high and the span is 503 metres across the harbour. So I'm going to be walking right up to the top with the Bridgeclimb crew. I won't be able to film on the adventure. They'll give you some photos up there, but you can't bring your own equipment up there. So I better get going. I'm heading in the right direction, which is good. Suiting up, got to put all the cameras away in the locker. See you at the flip side. At the top of the Harbour Bridge, wow! That was fantastic. I'm all done now. I've conquered the Sydney Harbour Bridge, made it to the summit. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Recommend anyone that hasn't done it before, have a go. It's just fantastic. The staff are really good. You feel safe. You've got harness and you're tethered at all times to the bridge so you can't fall. Just amazing. I'm so glad I did it. So thanks for watching and see you next time.